What's up, YouTube? So, this is gonna be a cool little video, or I guess cool little video, neat little video. We took the Supra out. I wanted to play with the GoPro a little bit, so we attached the GoPro to the windshield of the car, and we went for a cruise. So I hope y'all enjoy.
retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil your love with a cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. They for there to see. Breathe just like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip cards into weak and harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
Back home, made it back.
Feed like a disease. Bring them to their knees. They pay for there to see. Just like a weed, spread into the streets. It's time to make them bleed. 'Cause we want retribution. 'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with a cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent.
We live in the country and have some curvy roads we can go on, so that's what we did today. But like I said, we live not too far away from the mountains, and we could go have some fun and let y'all watch and enjoy. But just let me know. See y'all next time.